Hey guys, today we have a 2004 Honda CRV again. Today we're replacing the inside air filter. As you can see, this definitely needs to be replaced. So we went ahead on Amazon, got our air filter. So let's go ahead and get started. So you're gonna need some kind of Phillips bit drill, and you might need an 8mm socket set here if your screws are either stripped or just very hard to come off and you're gonna strip them. I always recommend using the socket. Get on there. You're gonna have about, I think, 5 screws. You're gonna have one here, one there, one over here, here, and then up here. So just get all those unscrewed, and then the next thing we're gonna do is remove this gasket. So we're gonna go ahead and loosen up our screws here so we don't strip them, and then you can take our screw gun here to finish it off. Once you get all the screws off, now we're gonna go to this gasket hose and we're gonna remove this pin and then slide this hose off the connector. Let's go ahead and remove this off now. You might have to push some of these wires to kind of bend it out of here. All right, there you have it. All right, and you can see there's our filter. You can see it's not in too bad shape. This will probably be a good time to clean any debris or anything down there, but yeah, we definitely need a new filter. This is pretty gross. So let's get this out of here and get the new one in. All right, so we got the old filter, the new one. You just want to make sure it matches in height and everything so it looks the same. So you know you're getting the right filter in there. All right, we're just gonna slide it there on the middle, make sure it gets nice and firm. All right, we got it in there, so now we're gonna seal it up. All right, once we got the top back on, we can go ahead and start screwing all the screws back in, and make sure you put your gasket back here on this hose and lock it back in place. All right, grab your screw gun, get your screws back in. Make sure they're all nice back and tight. And there you guys have it. That's how easy you can replace your air filter in your Honda CRV 2004.